A very very happy Independence Day to all of you. And on this Independence Day, we have made this cheesecake. And I'm joking, this small cheesecake is for me. For you, we have made a larger cheesecake and we have made it low carb, so that even diabetics and those who want to watch their weight can enjoy the celebrations. So let's see how to make it. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and I know you are very busy with celebrations. So without wasting any time, let's start. The first layer or the base layer, we will make it with this low carb coffee cake that we have made previously. I have made a whole video on it and I have made many other videos on low carb cakes, biscuits and other sweets, so that even diabetics or those who want to watch weight and eat healthy also can enjoy the celebrations. To watch all these recipes, do subscribe to our channel, because festivities are gonna come. There will be a birthday, there will be a party, there will be Independence Day, and people should not feel left out on these days just because they choose to eat healthy. Anyway, as you can see from this coffee cake, I have made the first layer or the base layer of our cheesecake, which is usually made with graham crackers, but we're not eating those crackers because they have refined sugars and processed oils which are not good for health. And with the rest of the cake, I have made the first layer in these cups also. I'll make mini cheesecakes also. In this coffee cake, the only change I have done is I have added green color because of the Independence Day. You can add any color you want. As for the cheesecake, we will need some cream cheese. I am using this Prema cream cheese and it claims to be hormone free and chemical free, so that's why I'm using it. And I'll add this to the bowl, and then I'll add sour cream, which is basically the cream I collected for the past 2 weeks from my milk. And then I'll add these eggs one by one while beating it. Once they are homogenized, I'll then add this vanilla essence and some green food color, because it is the Pakistan Independence Day. You can add any color, any other color you like. And then this erythritol. I am using erythritol this time, otherwise I usually use stevia as a sweet, because my sister Atiya gave me this packet of erythritol as a gift and she insists I should be using it sometime soon. Anyway, pour your batter into your 9-inch springform pan and then put this pan in a tray of water. We have to bake this cheesecake at 160 degree for about an hour. It can take sometime less, sometime more, because of the moisture content of different cheeses. Anyway, top should be jiggly like this. Okay, if it is hard like this, then it is overdone. This in the ramekin is not right. Anyway, for the decoration, we will take some whipping cream. In the whipping cream, we will again add the sweetener of choice. I am adding stevia and some vanilla. Beat it well till it is fluffy and it does not come out of the container. It can hold its shape. Then we will transfer it to the piping bag. All this while, my cake was out of the oven and in the fridge to be cooled down. And once it was cooled down, Atiya came from her night duty. She is also a doctor, but she loves baking cakes and decorating them. So once she came, she took over from me and she is piping this star and moon, and the plain cheesecake, which was a normal cheesecake, now turned into the flag of Pakistan. And I personally think she did a great job. In the comment section below, let me know your views on Tatya's decoration of cakes. And I personally salute every doctor, every engineer, every laborer, every worker who is striving every day, working hard to make Pakistan a better country. Anyway, once Atiya was done with the big cake, she decorated the cups also, and you can see these cups turned out to be very delicious and very cute. You can see you can easily give them to your husbands or your kids as a snack. Anyway, the feature attraction was this big cake. You can see all the 3 layers of the cake, and you can also add nuts or pistachios in the cream cheese layer, but the thing is I did not have those, so I made this cake as fast as I could so that we could celebrate the Independence Day together. With all my prayers for Pakistan to live long and prosper. Let me know in the comment section below, how did you celebrate your Independence Day? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.